when they come, they're going to have a molded cap. So don't throw away this cap, okay? So for long-term storage, like this, 12 months from the date of purchase. And that's how good these are, okay? Yeah. Once you pop this top off, and especially with the thin, make sure you're not doing this over a project. Pull it off to the side because you might get some drips. So you pop that off, okay? And then flip that over and it'll snap back on. So now it's sealed.
Beautiful.
Okay? But it's not the whole sealed like it was with the welded cap on there, okay?
Right.
So once it's in this position, the timing is basically environment based, right? A lot of humidity, it might drop that a little bit. Really dry climates, it's going to increase that, okay? So try to use, once you get them like this.
Increase what?
Increase the lifespan.
I got you.
Lifespan.
So humidity is going to, I got you.
Okay. But when you're done, if you can cap this off like this, that will help increase the lifespan of the glue that's in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then from there, we have the tip. So this comes with your flexi-tip. Or not your flexi-tip. Oops.
Does it help to keep it in the fridge?
Only when it's in that original position. Okay.
Okay.
So when it is, we'll grab yours.
Like
yours
unopened?
Unopened like this, you could put it in the fridge.
Okay.
Okay. However, once you pop that off, don't put that in the fridge. Because of all the extra humidity, like you see how much humidity is in your fridge, that's going to get in there and that's going to possibly ruin the glue too.
Right on.
Okay. So make sure you always use your tip. So it comes with a ZN tip. Okay. We also offer the flexi tips, which I see you like those.
I love those.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
But the nice thing about the tips are, if it starts to clog up, clip, pop that off. You can put a new tip on.
Yeah.
Because you bought all this glue, you might as well use it, right?
Yeah, right on.
I hate to see people throw away glue because you're throwing away money.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's why I say always use the tips. Okay. Because if you're just using the nipple on the bottle and you start cutting that down, now you're pouring glue out, and if you're on a project, that would be horrible.
Yes, indeed.
So, all right.
You're speaking to my history here. I've been through this, and I like to be coming out of it. With these are good solutions.
Yeah. So let's see what we can do for you.